Every year, over 300 million tons of plastic are produced globally, and a staggering 8 million tons end up in our oceans. This isn't just a pollution problem, it's a climate crisis. Plastic production and incineration contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating global warming. Here in Cebu, the situation is no different. Of the 3,200 metric tons of waste the island of Cebu generates per day, more than half of it, or over 1,952 tons, are plastics. From clogged rivers to overflowing landfills, the impact of plastic waste is undeniable. But what if we could turn this problem into a solution? Enter the circular economy of plastics. For decades, we've operated in a linear economy. Take, make, and dispose. Plastic is produced, used once, and thrown away, often ending up in landfills or the environment. This model is unsustainable and wasteful. But the circular economy offers a better way. Instead of discarding plastic, we keep it in use for as long as possible. Through recycling, upcycling, and innovative reuse, plastics can be transformed into valuable resources, reducing waste and cutting down on the need for virgin materials. On February 14, 2024, a significant step was taken toward a sustainable future. Rce Cebu and the DNR7, DSWD7, DepEd7, EMP7, and MGB7 signed a pledge of commitment named the Love Our Earth campaign to advance the circular economy of plastics through eco-bricking. This collaboration marks a united effort to tackle plastic waste and promote innovative circular solutions. Today, as we celebrate the anniversary of the Love Our Earth campaign, we invite more partners to join the fight against plastic pollution and embrace the circular economy. DENR7, in close collaboration with the Regional Center of Expertise on Education and Sustainable Development Cebu and its network of partners, has successfully championed the eco-bricking movement in the region, leading to a remarkable achievement of collecting over 300 kilograms of eco-bricks. This initiative highlights the power of collective action in addressing environmental challenges, as the organizations have effectively promoted the practice of eco-bricking, a sustainable method of repurposing non-biodegradable waste into reusable building materials. But the story doesn't end there. In Toledo City, Cebu, a people's organization named Toledo United Farmers, Fishermen, Women, and Workers Federation, or TUFWOW, is taking eco-bricks to the next level. They collect eco-bricks from various sources and transform them into actual construction materials. These bricks are sturdy, eco-friendly, and are being used to build path or street pavers, and in the near future, homes for families in need. What was once waste is now a resource. This is the circular economy in action, turning trash into treasure, turning plastic waste into bricks, pavers, and more. Thanks to the initiatives of the eco-brick projects of DENR, RCE Cebu, and other partners, the Love Our Earth campaign, loads of plastics have been diverted from rivers and landfills. Instead of polluting our planet, these plastics are managed in a circular fashion as construction materials, building homes, pathways, and more. As we celebrate the anniversary of the Love Our Earth campaign, we invite more partners to join this movement. Together, we can turn the tide on plastic waste and create a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Join the Love Our Earth campaign today!